क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है। तो यहाँ पे क्या है, इन दिस गिवन डायग्राम PC पैरेलल टू DE, अदरवाइज DE पैरेलल टू PC, इट इज गिवन, ये दिया हुआ है, DE पैरेलल टू PC, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम, in a triangle, if one line is parallel to any one side of a triangle and intersect other two sides in distinct point, so you can see this is the second side, this is the third side, intersected these two distinct point D and E, then sides are in the same ratio. Means then by DPT theorem, AD divided by BD equal to AD divided by AC. So you will write then by PPT. PPT means basic proportionality theorem ही हो गया, अब आपको यहाँ और कुछ नहीं लिखना है, that is AD upon DB equal to AD upon EC. So AD is given that 1.5 centimeter and DB is given that 3.0 centimeter equal to AE is given that only 1 centimeter and EC is given that nothing. So let us, this is same to same EC. Okay. Now you can remove first of all this decimal. So one digit before decimal here and one digit before decimal here. So it is cancelled out automatically. Otherwise you will multiply it by 10 in numerator and denominator. So you will get this is just like that, 15 by 30 equal to 1 upon EC. Here this is ratio. So there is no any unit required. रेशियो का कोई यूनिट होता है ना, कोई या उसका यूनिट हो, सेंटीमीटर मिलीमीटर कुछ नहीं होगा। ओके, तो यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे ये आपका यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर रहेगा, बिकॉज हियर सेंटीमीटर कैंसिल आउट। सो नाउ बाय क्रॉस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैंसिल आउट, 15 1 जा 15, 15 2 जा 30, दिस इज 1 upon 2 equal to 1 centimeter upon EC. Okay, so now dear, it is 1 by 2 equal to 1 centimeter upon EC. By cross multiplication you will get 2 1 ja 2 and EC 1 ja EC, means EC equal to 2 1 ja 2 centimeter. So this is requirement, यही तो हमें चाहिए था, तो हमारा वैल्यू आ गया, EC का वैल्यू आ गया 2 सेंटीमीटर। So finally this is the answer of this question, यही इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे और ये क्वेश्चन हमारे एग्जाम में पूछ लिया जाता है, वैल्यू आपके कुछ भी हों, लेकिन इस टाइप का एक क्वेश्चन 1 पार्ट से। इन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD, means LM is this one is parallel to CB and LN means this side just parallel to CD means this one. Okay, so prove that AM divided by AB equal to AN divided by AD. How can you prove? This is so easy. First of all you will write the given things, that here is given that LM parallel to CB, and the second things is given that LN parallel to CD, LN parallel to CD. Now to prove what you requirement, AM divided by AB, and this just equal to AN divided by AD. So nothing requirement to construction etc. So we will directly prove here. What to do in this case? You will select this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, so you will write in triangle ABC what? That is LM parallel to CB. It is given. LM parallel to BC. You can also write LM and parallel to CB. This is given. And dear, you know very well, if LM in a triangle, if one side is BC and any other side is parallel to this one side, then the other two sides divided in the same ratio by the basic proportionality theorem. So you will write here by basic proportionality theorem, that is BPT, we get what you will get here. Yes, so easy things, that is you can write here one side, you will see AM divided by BM and AL divided by CL. Okay, you can write by the BPT theorem in triangle ABC, that is AM divided by MB or AL divided by LC. Yes, of course, anything you can write. So it is AM and divide by MB. AM, up dear, here you see just one, AM divided by AB. AB means you can observe this is the whole side AB. Okay, so you will use only these things, AM divided by whole side AB, and in the same way AL and divide by AC. So you will write this as equation number first, that is AM divided by AB equal to AL and divide by AC. So this is the equation number first. Okay, now you move for the second triangle. You can observe here second triangle is ADC, otherwise you can say that in triangle ACD. In this triangle LN parallel to DC, this is given, LN parallel to CD. So you will write in triangle ACD, this is dear in triangle ACD, and here is given that what, LN parallel to CD. So LN parallel to CD, but dear again you can observe here that if in a triangle that is CD is a one side and LN just parallel to the this one side, then you can use here BPT theorem once again. So you can write that AN divide by AD whole side means this part only divide by whole part, and same way AL divide by AC. So you will write it is by BPT theorem. BPT we get. What you will get? Yes, dear, it is, you can write that and from the figure, this is AN half part and whole side AD, AN by AD, and same way AL divided by AC. So AN divided by AD and equal to AL divided by AC. And dear, this is the equation number 2. Now you can compare the equation number 1 and equation number 2. This is AM by AB equal to AL by AC, and this is AN by AD equal to AL by AC. Means the right hand side is equal in both sides. So you will put the value of AL by AC, that is AN by AD, in equation number 1. ये वाला वैल्यू आप यहाँ पुट कर दीजिए, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, AM by AB equal to AN by AD. So you can write that from equation first and second. we get, that is our requirement, that AM divide by AB and equal to AN divide by AC. So dear, this is your requirement, this is your result. The question says that prove that this is AM divide by AB equal to AN divide by. So dear, here you will write a D, only AD, not anything, AD. So finally you can write that hence proved.